Hello friends, how are you? In this class we will be doing exercise 2.1 of NCERT class 11th, and this is based on the topic relation. Now starting with question number 1. Number 1 says that two ordered pairs are given. Find the value of x and y. X by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the first element of the pair are equal, and similarly the second pair is also equal. So let us equate the first element of both the ordered pairs. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. So x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. X by 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 upon 3. 3 gets cancelled, so x is equal to 2. And similarly y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So y is equal to 3 by 3, hence equal to 1. Therefore our answer is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So in first question, what we did, we compared the two ordered pairs. The two ordered pairs were given as equal. So first element was equated to the first element of the another ordered pair on the right side, and similarly second element with the second element of the right side ordered pair. So now coming to the question number 2, it says if set A has 3 elements and set B has 3, 4, 5, he says कि at number of elements in A is equal to 3 and B set is having these elements 3, 4, 5. Then find the number of elements in A cross B. So how many number of elements are there in B set? That is 1, 2, 3, 3, right? So number of elements in A cross B, or the Cartesian product, number of ordered pairs in the Cartesian product, is equal to, the formula is number of elements in A set into number of elements in B set. So it is 3 into 3, hence this is equal to 9. Very simple. So the questions are quite simple over here. Now the third question, if G is, there is a set G that is 7, 8, and H is another set that is 5, 4, 2, then he says find G cross H and H cross G. Obviously in my last video I told you that G cross H is not equal to H cross G because the first element and the second elements get interchanged. So how we will do? We will first take 7, or we can make some like this arrow diagram sort of. So 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2. So 7 can go with 5, 7 can go with 4, 7 can go with 2. So the ordered pairs can be 7, 5. Second is 7, 4. Third 7, 2. Similarly, this 8 can go with 5, 4, 2. So the ordered pairs will be 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. Now this is your G cross H. This was G, this is H. Now to write H cross G, we just have to reverse these digits. 5 will come in the first place, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 7. See carefully, we are reversing the first element and the second element. Then 5, 8, then 4, 8, then 2, 8. And that's all. And we got our answer. Now coming to question number 4 of the same exercise. He says, state whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. So first statement he is saying as P is equal to n comma n. There are two elements m and n, and in Q there are n comma m. This is the elements in P and Q. So he is saying P cross Q is equal to m comma n comma n comma m. Now is it true or false? Obviously it is not true. Why? Because number of elements in P cross Q should be equal to 4, because number of elements in P is 2 and number of elements in Q is 2, so this should be 4. Number of elements in P into number of elements in Q. So, and over here only 2 ordered pairs are given. So ordered pair should be 4. So what should be the correct answer? P cross Q. First let us take m from P and go towards Q. So m comma n, m comma m, n comma n, n comma m. So this is the correct answer. So what we saw that in the author did not give these ordered pairs m comma m and n comma n. Otherwise these should have been added so that we go so as to get the correct answer of P cross Q. Now coming to question number 5. Oh, sorry, it's part 2. This is having 3 parts. So part 1, part 2. Part 2 says if A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of the ordered pair x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That is, this is correct. Why this is correct? Because when we write A cross B, we write it like this in the set builder form: x comma y such that x belongs to A, because x has to come from the first set, and y belongs to B. Second element of the ordered pair should come from the second set. So the second is correct option. It is true. You can write true. The first one was false, and we gave the explanation and write the correct answer also. Third, let's go to the third. He says A is equal to this, A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 3 comma 4, and then he says A cross B intersection phi is equal to phi. Is it correct or not? Any ideas? Okay. First, let us see what happens with B intersection phi. Intersection with an empty set will always be a phi, isn't it? Intersection with empty set will be phi. So this A cross within brackets B intersection phi becomes A cross phi. Now cross product with any empty set is again phi. So the answer given is true. Correct? Now coming to question number 5. He says if A is this, if A is minus 1 comma 1, then find A cross A cross A. You have to find this. So what should we do? First let us find A cross A. Or let me write like this: A cross A cross A can be written as A cross A within brackets and then cross A. So first of all we have to find the A cross A. So A cross A will be, you can just, if you are unable to do yourself, so you can use the arrow diagram. So this 1 will go, minus 1 will go to minus 1 or 1, minus 1, minus 1, then minus 1, 1. Similarly, the 1 will go to either minus 1 or 1. So the answer will be 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 1. So this is A cross A. Now if I have to multiply with again A cross A cross A, so what will happen now? How many elements will be there? Any guess? There will be 4 into 2, that is 8 ordered pairs should be there. So what is the first one? This how we will do? We will take this minus 1 with this minus 1, then similarly minus 1 1 with again minus 1, similarly again all this with minus 1, then with 1. So starting from here, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, this will be in the triplet form, minus 1 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 1 minus 1. I hope you got this. What I have done, see, I'll make a line so that you can easily understand. This will go with minus 1, then this will go with minus 1, this will also go with minus 1, this will always go with minus 1. Similarly, now all these ordered pairs will go with 1. So it will be minus 1 minus 1 1. That's the third will be always minus 1 or 1, sorry, minus 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, and 1 1 1 1. So hence we got A cross A cross A. Coming to question number 6, if A cross B, he says A cross B is equal to A comma X comma A comma Y comma B comma X comma B comma Y. So he says find A and B. See, the first elements will come from A because the first set is A. So A is equal to, we will not repeat because A will be written only once. Similarly, B will be written in only once. So a, small b in the set capital A, and then set capital B will contain X and Y. And that's it. I hope it is easy, simple. It's very easy things. And question number 7. A is given, B is given, C is given, D is given. The 4 sets are given. Then he says verify. We have to verify something. Okay, first let us write what is A. A is equal to 1 comma 2. B is equal to 3 comma 4. Sorry, I have written the next question. 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. C is 5 comma 6. D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. He says verify. What you have to verify? Verify that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Basically, if you see, this is, you can say, a distributive property of the cross product, right? So first of all, let us find B intersection C. What is common between B and C? Is there anything common? See, there is nothing is common. It is B is having 1, 2, 3, 4. C is having 5, 6. So nothing is common. So it is a empty set. So what will happen now? A cross empty set. Empty set can be written as phi also. So this is phi. This is your LHS. LHS is phi. So if the distributive property holds good for the cross product, the right side should also be phi. So first of all, let's find A cross B. A cross B is 1 comma 1, 1 from here, then 1 from here, then 1 comma 2, 2 you have to take from here, then 1 comma 3, similarly 1 comma 4, and then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. So this is A cross B. Now A cross C is 1 and 6, 5, right? So 1 comma 5, similarly 1 and 6, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Now if I say A cross B intersection with A cross C, so what you have to see, you have to find what are the common ordered pair. Is there anything common? 1 comma 1, see 1 comma 1 is not over here, 1 comma 2 it is not over here, 1 comma 3 it is also not over here, 1 comma 4 is also not here, 2 comma 1 is not there, 2 comma 2 is also not here, 2 comma 3 is not there, 2 comma 4 is not there. So that means the intersection is phi. So what we saw that LHS is equal to RHS. So we verified that this holds true. This the distributive property in the cross product holds true. Now coming to the second part, sorry, I have written question number 8, not 8. It is a part 2. And he says A cross C is the subset of B cross D. So obviously you have to first find A cross C. So let us write A cross C over here. A cross C we have already written, so need not write it again. See this is the A cross C. Now B cross D we can write. B cross D, it will be a huge one. Okay, let me rewrite over here. B is equal to how much? B was given was 1 2 3 4, right? 1 2 3 4, and D is equal to 5 6 7 8. So either we should write this, or we can easily see that 1 comma 5 is there. See 1 comma 5. Similarly 1 comma 6. Here 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6 is also there. Similarly 1 comma 7, 1 comma 8. So now taking the 2, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8, and 3 comma, if I want to write, I can write it all. 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8, and let us close this brackets. So you can see that all the ordered pairs in A cross C are also available in B cross D. You can just compare with these two, and B cross D is having more ordered pairs than A cross C, and all the ordered pairs of A cross C are written here. See 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, all the 4 are written over here. So I can say that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Fine. So now come to the question number 8. A is given as 1 2, B is given as 3 4. Write A cross B and how many subsets will A cross B have? List them. Okay. So A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 3 4. First of all, let us write A cross B. A cross B is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Right? Now he says how many subsets are there in A cross B. So subsets, how to find the number of subsets? Number of subsets can be found by the formula 2 raised to the power number of elements in A cross B. And in this case it is 2 raised to power 4, that is 16. Now why I have written n 2 raised to power n 2 raised to power n a cross b or 2 raised to power 4? Because all the ordered pairs will be having two options. Either they will be there or in the subset, or they will not be there in the subsets. So he says list them. So if I want to list, so the subsets will be, one will be 5. 5 is also is a subset of all the sets. Then 1 comma 3, this is a subset, right? Curly brackets. Then 1 comma 4, this is also a subset. 2 comma 3 is also a subset. 2 comma 4 is also a subset. Now we will take 2 at a time. 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, this is a subset. Then 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Now 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, and 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4. Now take 3 at a time. 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. I think till now we have got 15. Let us check them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. We have got 13. So 3 are left. What are those 3? Okay. Starting with 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. 14 हो गए बेटे. Now one more is left somewhere. 14, 15, 16. We have to write the 16. The 16th one will be, write all the ordered pairs. That is a universal one. 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. So now how many are there? 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 is still left. Now we have to figure it out which has been left. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think some order with the two ordered pair wala reh gaya. Yeah, I got it. And that is 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. This has been left by mistake. So we can see that these are all 16 pairs, as we got the answer 16, and he wanted us to list them, so we have listed it out. Now coming to the question number 9. Let A and B be the two sets such that NA is equal to number of elements in A is 3, number of elements in B is 2. If X, it says A cross B, if these are the ordered pairs, X comma 1, Y comma 2, Z comma 1 are in A cross B, then find A cross B, find A and B where X, Y, Z are the distinct elements. Okay, so you have to find A. So A will be having the first element X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, and it was given that there are 3 elements. So X, Y, Z are the 3 elements, and obviously B will be having 2 elements, and they are 1 comma 2. That's it. Coming to the question number 10, and the question number 10 is the last one. So this will be the last question of this class. Now he says the Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements. He says NA cross A is equal to 9. So what does it mean? It means NA cross A is equal to NA into NA, right? That means 3 into 3 is 9. So NA will be equal to 3. So there should be 3 elements in A. Now he says the Cartesian product of A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found to be -1, 0 and 0, 1. So what will be the, he says find the remaining elements of A cross A. So to find out the remaining elements of A cross A, first of all we should know how what are the elements in A. So A will contain -1, 0 and 1, -1, 0 and 1. So now we can write A cross A. Already these two were given to us. So let us write it in a proper way. -1, -1. So -1, 0, -1, 1. Similarly 0, -1 and 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, -1 and 1, 0 and 1, 1. So this is the all, and these two were already given to us. These were given -1 and -1, 0 and 0, 1. These were given. Remaining we can write, or we can write all the ordered pairs. So that's all for the day. In our next class, obviously, we will be doing exercise 2. Please keep in touch and keep following me, and subscribe as well as share to your other friends, because I try to give my this teaching or whatever I have learned in a very lucid and very easy way, so that each and every child can understand the topic. Sometimes I have seen kids coming to 11th class, they are afraid of the mathematics because the mathematics changes. Means it's different from what we have. We have conventional mathematics, but what we were taught in up to 10th standard. So it's something different things, like rational relationship and relation and functions is totally a different type of topic, which you people might not have heard of up to 10th. So don't get afraid. Mathematics is very simple subject, and I will be taking the classes regularly, and I'll try to keep on putting the videos every week, twice or thrice. So please keep in touch. See you. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye. God bless you.